Hello guys, SCIFIGENERS here. Today we gonna unbox the most awaited Redmi 5. So without much further ado, let's unbox it now. Xiaomi has even thrown in a soft transparent rubber case and which seems to be durable enough. The Redmi 5 feels very solid and sturdy. Xiaomi moved away from the unibody design and went for a plastic frame that holds the generous amount of plastic top and bottom, provides enough room for the antennas and an uninterrupted signal reception. It has got monocolor LED notification light. The better part of the rear is still aluminium though. The trendy 18:9 aspect ratio definitely makes for a modern look, but in this case not necessarily thinner bezels. You can see at the bottom with two sets of grills, one for the speaker and another one for the main microphone. Between them lies a micro USB 2.0 port. On the right, the volume rocker is above the power button. On the left, there is a single card tray of the hybrid kind, housing either a nano SIM and a micro SD or a pair of nano SIMs. The fingerprint reader is conveniently positioned, fast and reliable. The area underneath the screen looks almost big enough to accommodate a bunch of capacitive keys, which it doesn't. Well, this is the micro USB 2.0 cable. Well, you get a 5V 2A charger, which is not a fast charger. The Redmi 5 comes packing a tall 5.7-inch screen and one of pretty decent quality too. Resolution on the other hand is set 720p, well it's HD plus with some extra pixels top and bottom. The whole thing works out to 282 ppi, not ideal but still perfectly usable. A smaller 3300 mAh battery unit in this case is undoubtedly a significant downgrade from the 4000 mAh of the older generation. You get Android 7.1.2 Nougat out of the box. Xiaomi has a way of making up for it. It's rather Qualcomm that has one on offer, namely the Snapdragon 450, a budget chipset built on a 14nm fabrication process, making possible a rather power-efficient operation of the system. It is also clearly better than the older and less efficient Snapdragon 430 with 8 Cortex A53 cores as found in some recent Nokia phones among others. Redmi 5 uses Adreno 506 GPU. There are 17 filters available with live previews. The camera also offers a quite few different shooting modes: panorama, timer, audio, state-on, manual, beautify, tilt shift and night HSD, as well as the camera settings. Unfortunately, the manual mode lets you tweak only ISO and white balance, but not shutter speed or focus. There is no auto HDR mode on the Redmi 5, you have to toggle it on or off yourself. It uses the exact same 12-megapixel sensor with 26mm f/2.2 lens and 1.25 micrometer big pixels, and front cam is 5 megapixel with LED flash. Time-lapse mode is available, but slow motion mode is missing here. This phone supports Full HD video recording, but 4K video recording is missing here. Overall ANTUTU score is 69,426.